Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make Fettuccine Alfredo pasta. First we have to boil the water. Add 1 tablespoon salt and 1 tablespoon oil. When water starts boiling, add fettuccine pasta rolls. Boiling time mentioned in packet. When it's boiled, take it out. Wash with tap cold water and add 1 tablespoon oil and mix it. For chicken marination, first pound the chicken with a hammer to mix the spices well. This will help to break the muscles in chicken for properly marinate. These are the spices we used in marination. First, add 1 tablespoon salt, 2 tablespoon yogurt, 1 tablespoon red chilli flakes and red chilli powder, 1.5 tablespoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons soy sauce. You can add vinegar, red chili sauce, anything. Half teaspoon orange food color. Mix all together. And let it rest for 30 minutes. For frying, add full spoon of oil. Fry the chicken fillets on medium-low flame until it cooks, properly cooked. When it cooked, take it out. Now cut the fillet according to your desire. You can cut cubes, any shapes. Okay. Now take aside for later use. For Alfredo sauce, in a pan add 2 tablespoon oil. Add 1 tablespoon garlic paste. Saute for a bit, but don't overcook or not burn. Now add 1 packet cream, whole packet. Cook until it starts to boil. Don't overcook. Just wait to starts boiling. Then add 2 cups milk. Add 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon chili flakes for little flavorful, 1 tablespoon mixed herbs, pinch of salt, not too much. Add 2 chicken stock cubes. That's why we add pinch of salts, because chicken stocks have salts. Mix properly and cover and cook until it starts boiling. Become thick in texture. When it starts boiling, add 1 cup olives. You can add mushrooms, capsicum, anything you want. I like olives, that's why I add olives. Now add 1 cup cheese. You can add mozzarella, cheddar, slices, anything. Now cook until cheese melts and it starts little thick, cheesy texture. Cooked for 5 minutes more, then add boiled pasta. Mix together properly. Pasta soak all the creamy ingredients. Now again add half cup milk for little more cook pasta in sauce. Okay, now pasta is ready to serve. Dish out your pasta. On top, add your chicken fillet and enjoy your Italian dish at home. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.